Welcome to this guided meditation. This meditation is geared toward working moms and dads who need peace in the midst of the storm. Today we're going to embark on a journey, not through peaceful forests or quiet beaches, but through the kitchen. Who did it? I know. We're going to reclaim this space. And we're going to love our kids today. You may not remember, but it's okay. I know you don't have anyone to talk to. But one day they will learn. For now, we're going to take a few minutes to breathe through this and heal the wounds, the ones your kids mindlessly inflict on you. Step 1. You're in the thick of it. You've arrived in the chaos, so take a deep breath in. Slowly exhale. I'm with you. Walk into your kitchen. It's bad, but it's not so bad. There's spaghetti on the cabinets and stuck to the inside of the sink. A glass of juice in the middle of the floor. Dots of sticky who knows what. Leading somewhere. It's like what, a 20-minute job? We got this. All day. Close your eyes. Inhale. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Yes, my friend, this is your moment, but rather than feeling overwhelmed, I want you to notice the sensation of your breath in and out. Steady. We're going into battle, but we're going to be armed with peace and the ability to transform. Let's start off by asking our kids if they will clean. Can someone please clean up the kitchen? You might say. No? That's right, no. They're busy. They're too busy. They have important things like Snapchat and boyfriends and girlfriends and homework. They can't see the diva you are. They don't know. So we've got to breathe through this together. Gonna inhale a calming, soothing energy. Let's look at these other kitchens. They're lovely. Exhale. That's your kitchen. Could be your kitchen. It's like a vision board, right? Yes, this feels productive. Push away thoughts like, am I the only one who notices the rotting apple core underneath that table? No one else sees it. Let it go. With every exhale, you put that frustration aside. We're going to do this together. Get your favorite sponge, the one that smiles, smells like lemon. We're going to start from the top. We're going to burn it all down and build it back up. Sticky jam that was there since breakfast, gone. Spaghetti, gone. All gone. It's vanished. And it's not going to get dirty. It's going to stay clean. Just like that plate, and you're gonna feel peace. This isn't cheating, it's cleaning. The countertops and the kitchen floors, they're your canvas, and they're beautiful. Every dish you washed, elegant. Every spot you clear. Feel the gratitude for the work you've done. Pause for a moment and look around. It's done.